Guys, this is my 6:45 a.m. situation. I have eye patches on and I'm uploading a video. Okay guys, so it's my last morning with Brooklyn and I'm gonna let her be in the vlog one more time.
Yay!
What's in your hand?
Face mask.
So this morning I vlogged for like a quick second before I came over, and I had eye patches on. They're the Arbonne like gold ones. I like keeping them in my car. Here, wait, hold it up there. I can focus it. I think it's focused. Do you want to put one on?
Yeah.
Okay. Anyways, my mom sells it, so she brought me these because I like wearing them in the car when I drive over here. Do you want me to do it?
Yeah.
Okay. Look up.
Oh my god.
Well, yeah, that's the point. It wakes you up.
Yeah.
I like keeping them in my car so that when I get in it in the morning, they're like really cold.
When I first saw these, I was like, what if you were wearing them and you got pulled over?
I know people that have gotten pulled over with face masks and eye masks on. Woo! Okay, look up. Look in the mirror. You want to show them your eye patches?
They're just like...
You really don't notice them that much because they're like kind of clear. You got to take them off before you get on the bus. You want to put on some music?
Yeah!
We're not going to Starbucks. You can't start those habits so young, or else you'll be my age and going every day of your life.
One time I was at the one in Giant Eagle, and they had like the witch's brew, so I wanted to try it, but I still wanted to play mango dragon fruit. So I've got both, but I got the witch's brew free.
I remember that.
So I just was... Well,
yeah, she had both of her Starbucks with like a walrus.
Ferris? Wait.
Ferris Bueller?
No.
Do you know Ferris Bueller?
I forget his last name, but he's on my bus.
Goodbye!
Bye!
So I guess it's about time that I formally introduced you guys to Vlogmas day 14, except it's really not my 14th day of vlogging because I'm so bad at this. But I got home from babysitting, like I said, when I was with Brooklyn. Today was my last day doing that, and I'm about to go out to get breakfast with one of my friends. So first of all, my room is a disaster. I have to clean up so bad, but I'm not wearing any makeup today. I just like wasn't in the mood, but I'm wearing these tortoise earrings that I got when I was at Target. They're part of that haul that I posted. My turtleneck is from Erin. I got it on Black Friday or Cyber Monday, and it's just like a really cozy sort of like big loose turtleneck, and then skinny jeans, and then these shoes are also from that Target haul that I posted. And then I'm just gonna stick my laptop in this bag. I got it at Old Navy like 4 years ago. It's so old, but my laptop is downstairs right now. I'm trying to upload a video. I know I talk about this all the time, but my grandma's Wi-Fi is really, really bad. So I tried uploading it last night and it wasn't making any progress. So when I babysat this morning, I left it to upload and it got to 1% in 3 hours. So I'm just gonna drop it off at my parents' house. My hair is kind of crazy because I didn't redo it today. That video is a holiday outfit idea video. Obviously it's already going to be up when you guys are watching this, so I will link it. And it's actually a collab with Jess Brooke. So I did holiday outfits and she was doing holiday makeup. So go watch both of those videos if you haven't already. Oh wait, this is still recording. It's recording. Yeah, it's Vlogmas, so I have to every day. Yeah. Well, I'm really bad at it, but I'm trying. So this is Ella and that's Hannah. I didn't know Hannah was going to be here, so I was surprised. Well, because I was vlogging earlier and I was like, yeah, I'm going to get breakfast with Ella, and then I got here and Hannah was here too. So
actually, unfortunate surprise. Hannah was here.
Or wait, what did I say? Did I say El? Oh yeah, okay. Yeah, Hannah was the only one here when I got here. Yeah. Do you guys want to say anything? No? Okay. I don't know. That's okay, I'll turn it off. So I just got home from breakfast and it's about noon right now. I'm actually getting my nails done. What the heck is my hair doing? I'm getting my nails done in a little bit. My Aunt Danielle, who was in the first day of Vlogmas, is taking me to get my nails done for my birthday. So I'm gonna be leaving soon for that. But I really need to set aside time to clean up my room because it is such a mess. I just get frustrated really easily, and when it's a mess like this, I get really frantic and it just makes like everything else more stressful. I don't know, I just feel like everything in my life has been like crazy recently. And I know this time of the year is like just a lot for everyone. So I know that I'm not alone, but I just really feel like my whole life is such a mess right now. And I feel like once I get my room more situated, then things will kind of start to fall into place. Also, it's not even just this room that I have to clean, it is this room too, because whenever I am trying to clean my bedroom, this is the room that I like put stuff in. I was just filming my outfit video yesterday, so that is what all of this stuff is still set up from. I don't know, I just feel like I really need to organize like my whole life and just get stuff figured out. My face is really red. You were embarrassing me when you were talking about my YouTube channel.
Well, you shouldn't be embarrassed. You should be proud of it.
So we just got our nails done. I went with my classic light pink. Danielle got really pretty Christmas nails. She's driving, so we're gonna be careful about this. Yeah, she treated me to a manicure for my birthday, so thank you.
You're welcome.
So Danielle and I came back from our nail appointments and my grandma was flipping through her magazines and she found this article that says, "This is why your head hurts." So she's reading me all of these reasons about why you could get a headache, and basically it describes my whole entire life. Grandma, what do you do when you get a headache?
Did you get enough sleep last night? Are you sipping from your water bottle all day? I didn't see your water bottle today.
It's because I broke it at work, remember?
Oh my gosh. Do you happen to have headaches only during certain times of the year?
No, I get them year round.
Okay. And is there a storm coming?
No.
Yes, there is. When it's supposed to come tonight.
Oh, I didn't know that.
Yeah, so
I did not know that.
you might be at a higher risk for a headache.
Yeah. I don't know if I've talked about this on my channel before, but I get headaches a lot and then I get migraines every once in a while. Those aren't as predictable, but when I get migraines, I get an aura with them. So I lose typically the left side of my vision and then everything's like really fuzzy and blurry, kind of like when you look at a light for too long. So yes, I'm gonna have to read that article.
Oh, and then the other page is for me.
Why?
Your hip isn't cool. So when I always talk about I get that pain sometimes.
Yeah.
So now there's exercises I should do and it'll stop me and avoid having a hip replacement. So I have to build stronger muscles. So we will share this article.
Wait, can you show that? Is that the exercise that you have to do?
Yeah. Stay tuned.
Okay.
Happy New Year, my new resolution, right?
Yeah. So I finally have a little bit of spare time. This is like the first night that I've had to do nothing in so long, so I'm finally going to get some of this stuff cleaned up. It's not going to take long. I just need to do it, and I know that as soon as I get it cleaned up, I'm just going to be so much less stressed. I mean, and then I have to deal with the other room, but that's beside the point. I always start with making my bed. I feel like it kind of gets like the picture set for what it's gonna be like once my room is all clean. So once my bed is made, then I'm always like more motivated to keep going. So I always start with that when I'm cleaning my room. If you guys need a little tip on what to do, except clearly I can't stay organized, so maybe you shouldn't take advice from me. Alexa, play ambient radio.
Ambient radio from Pandora.
All right, so much better. Now to deal with this mess. Guys, this is embarrassing. I can't believe I'm showing this. Okay guys, so I got my room pretty much completely cleaned up. It is so much better now. I probably just made you guys so dizzy by doing that. I'm sorry. But anyways, I feel better. I still feel really stressed. Things are just kind of going crazy in my life right now and I don't know why. But I'm actually just gonna end the vlog right now because, not gonna lie, it's like 6 o'clock and I'm exhausted. I just ate dinner and I'm gonna edit and do a few things on my laptop. But like, I am done for the night and I'm probably gonna be in bed by 8. So thank you guys for watching Vlogmas Day 14. We are so close to Christmas, so close to my birthday. Like, I'm gonna be able to buy alcohol next week. What? So I hope that you guys enjoyed this vlog. Make sure you give it a thumbs up. Let me know what else you guys want to see on my channel. And as always, I will talk to you in my next one. Bye.